The Lexus GS is a rear-wheel drive sports sedan, unlike the front-wheel drive S-near luxury family sedan. The Lexus GS competes with the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, BMW 5 Series, Audi A6, and Infiniti Q70. Last redesigned for 2013, it has come with a range of engines that change its character, from V6 to V8 to hybrid. The 2018 Lexus GS lineup includes a new model, the GS Turbo, sometimes referred to as the GS 200 tons, with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that Lexus uses in the RC Sport Coupe and NX crossover. The GS Turbo costs a bit less and gets a bit better fuel mileage than the other GS models. The GS Turbo is EPA rated at 29/34 of a mile per gallon city, highway, or 31 miles per gallon combined. All GS models require premium gasoline. The new engine makes 241 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, uses an 8-speed automatic transmission, and isn't particularly quick, 0 to 60 in 7.2 seconds, just okay. We found quite a bit of turbo lag when we stepped on the gas pedal, as apparently the turbo needs to spin up to speed and the transmission has to decide what to do. Fortunately, the 8-speed has paddle shifters, and a flick of the wrist snaps the transmission into gear. The GS 350 uses 3.5-liter V6 that makes 311 horsepower with the paddle-shifting 8-speed automatic, and feels more like a sports sedan. All-wheel drive is available, which uses an older 6-speed automatic. The GS 350 can hit 60 miles per hour in a quick 5.7 seconds, and gets 23 miles per gallon combined. The GS 450 hours hybrid is quicker than either the GS Turbo or GS 350, as well as being more fuel efficient. With 286 horsepower and 257 pound-feet of torque, the GS 450 hours accelerates to 60 in a very quick 5.5 seconds, and gets 31 miles per gallon combined. It doesn't feel particularly sporty, but the F-Sport model ups the game a bit. Its main competitor might be the Acura RLX Sport Hybrid SHAWD. Others include the Mercedes-Benz E-Class BlueTech or BMW 528D, both diesels that get better highway mileage than the GS 450 hours 29/34 of a mile per gallon city, highway. F-Sport versions of these models include a sports suspension, upgraded features, and special interior and exterior trim. Finally, there is the hot one, the Lexus GS F sedan that competes with the BMW M5, Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG, Cadillac CT-SV, and Audi RS7. GS-F uses a 467 horsepower 5.0-liter V8 with 389 pound-feet of torque. With both direct injection and port injection, running on both the Otto and Atkinson cycles, it gets an EPA-rated 19 miles per gallon combined, pretty darn good for 467 horsepower.